Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the file upload failed error in Microsoft Teams. If you're unable to share a file, the issue is usually caused by limited OneDrive storage or incorrect permissions. So first, open OneDrive and sign in using the same work or school account connected to Microsoft Teams. So in here, make sure you select Microsoft OneDrive, then sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in, find the Microsoft Teams chat files folder. So on the left side, go to My Files. Once you're here, look for Microsoft Teams chat files. So click on that. Now, this is where files shared through Teams chats are stored. If your storage is almost full, you can delete any large or unnecessary files you no longer need. You can sort the folder by size or date to find files that are taking up the most space. After deleting them, wait a moment for OneDrive to update your available storage. And once you're done, next open Microsoft Teams on the web and try uploading your file again.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
If it still doesn't work, check your permissions for the chat or channel. So make sure you have permission to add or edit files. If you recently joined the team, your access may take some time to update. If necessary, ask the team or chat owner to confirm your permissions. And that's basically it. By freeing up OneDrive storage and checking your permissions, you should be able to fix most file upload failures in Microsoft Teams and get back to sharing files normally. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.